Good afternoon, all of you. Now, today we will see the experiment number 21. Experiment number 21. Aim to observe and study the effect of pyrogen in rabbit. Test for pyrogen as per IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia. Okay, now this is the aim, to study and observe and study the effect of pyrogen in the rabbit testing as per the rabbit test for pyrogen as per the IP. Now the pyrogen, now basically what do you mean by the pyrogen? Pyrogen are the metabolic product is metabolism. Pyrogen are the product of metabolism of microorganism. See, it's a pyrogen are product of metabolic microorganism, that is endotoxins. Chemically, pyrogen are lipid substance. What is pyrogen? Chemically, pyrogen are the lipid substance. You know the lipid are instead of fatty acid, which is insoluble in the water, soluble in the organic solvences. These are the property of lipid. It's a lipid substance. Means pyrogen should be insoluble in the water, which carrier the molecule with carrier the उनके साथ molecule को लेके चलता. Usually it is polysaccharide, but maybe peptide. Now see, usually it is polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is having the many molecule of the sugar, they are attached with the polysaccharide. It may be the peptide, they have joined together by CONH, that is peptide bond. It is a many peptide bond joined together, that is a peptide. The pyrogen are the product of metabolic microorganisms which are responsible for rise the body temperature, is called the endotoxins. Chemically, pyrogen are the lipid substance. You know the lipid are instead of fatty acids, insoluble in the water, soluble in the organic solvences, with carry the molecules. उसके साथ में वो molecule को भी carry करता. Chemically it is polysaccharide, and but it may be the peptide. You know the polysaccharide. Last year we was studied in the polysaccharides. Okay, in the carbohydrates, you know the polysaccharide. There is no need to explain. Then the pyrogen are what is pyrogen? Pyrogen are the endotoxins. They are responsible for rise the body temperature. The pyrogen should be present in the कहाँ पे present the pyrogen? Generally, the pyrogen it should be present in the saline solution. And the saline solution having the pyrogen, automatically body temperature is rise, and then the pyrogen test should be the fail. The saline should be free from the pyrogen. That's why you can do the test for pyrogen as per the IP. You can use the sham test and the main test. Okay, already you has been already you have studied in the HCP practical. HCP you are having also the one practical pyrogen testing. Okay, pyrogens responsible for rise the body temperatures. पेंस आता पायरोजन बॉडी टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया है तो फिर चिलीज बारीक बारीक डॉट डॉट्स करके वो फुंसियाँ आती, बॉडी पेन करता, बॉडी एक्स बॉडी पेन करता, एंड द subcutaneous contraction rise in the arterial blood pressure and the subcutaneous constriction and rise the blood pressure, arterial blood pressure, rise in the blood pressures. These are the pyrogens. Okay, these called the endotoxins. Those pyrogens responsible for body rise the body temperature, chills, body pains, subcutaneous contraction, produce the rise in the body temperatures. Okay, now these are the pyrogens. Now next term, see in practical, pyrexia. Now rise in the body temperature. यहाँ पे pyrogen responsible rise the body temperature. Now increase the body temperature above normal, more than normal. That is called the increase the body temperature above normal is called as pyrexia. Now the body temperature in the animal 36 degrees Celsius to 37.2 degrees Celsius is a, you can use generally animal is a rabbit नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर, ये रैबिट का नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर. द टेम्परेचर गोज मूव्स देन 37 is goes to the 38.9 degrees Celsius. That is called the pyrexia. Okay, how the cause of pyrexia. Now the next is the cause of pyrexia क्या रहता, how the cause. Then see the body temperature center, it present in the hypothalamus. That is a part of the brain, and body temperature is regulated in the hypothalamus by osmoreceptor. This receptor maintain the body temperature in the hypothalamus, in the brain. They are control, and which is responsible for in the hypothalamus the balance the heat loss and the heat production. Maintain the body temperature, the balance heat loss and heat production. In the osmoreceptor, they are balance heat loss and the heat production in the body. Body temperature is rise, then hypothalamic thermostat, there is disturbances in the hypothalamic thermostat. Okay, now these are the how to cause body temperature rise in the body. Body temperature rise in the body, and body temperature control center present in the hypothalamus, and they controlled by the osmoreceptors, and the balance, which is the balance the heat loss and the heat production in the body. Suppose body temperature rise is disturb the hypothalamic thermostat, then by osmoreceptors. Okay, now you know the next is a analgesic. It's a common, a drug which is responsible free from the pains, that is called the analgesics. Free from pain or relief from the pains, that is called the analgesic. The common example, aspirin, and the ibuprofen. And the antipyretic, a drug which is responsible for a drug which is responsible for lower the body temperature. Lower the body temperature means which up to normal temperature, not below that. Lower the body temperature means elevated rise body temperature is lowers up to the normal body temperature. Okay, that is called the antipyretic. Example, paracetamol. Common example is paracetamols. They are used. Now you can perform the sham test. As per the IP, you perform the sham test. You can use the fresh rabbit. Rabbit are used fresh. Otherwise, you can use two previous week conditions. You can use, if rabbit are used for first time in pyrogen test, to have been used during the 2 previous week. Okay, condition of rabbit is done 1 or 3 days before testing the substance by examining the injection is given intravenously. Examine the intravenously. Dose you can give the 10 ml per kg of body weight of pyrogen free saline solution. Why you can perform the pyrogen test? Because saline में pyrogen नहीं चाहिए, इसके लिए परफॉर्म करते. आप उसको फ्रेश रैबिट यू कैन यूज़. आपने फ्रेश रैबिट यूज़ किया पायरोजन टेस्ट के लिए ड्यूरिंग प्रीवियस 2 वीक. उसकी कंडीशंस चेक करते रहने का. 3 डे बिफोर टेस्टिंग द सब्सटेंस उसको दे के चेक करना. इंट्रावेनस इंजेक्शन दे के कैसे देंगे वो? डोज कैन बी गिवन 10 ml पर kg ऑफ बॉडी वेट. बॉडी उसका वेट होगा 1 किलो, तो 10 ml आप इंट्रावेनस इंजेक्शन देंगे. उसका वेट 1.5 होगा. एज पर दैट कैलकुलेट द डोज. यू कैन एडमिनिस्टर द सलाइन सोल्यूशन. क्यों करते हैं आप सलाइन सोल्यूशन फ्री फ्रॉम पायरोजन? भाई उससे सलाइन सोल्यूशन में इंडोटॉक्सिन से तो बॉडी टेम्परेचर राइज और फेल हो जाएगा, तो उसके लिए आप चेक करते हैं. द डोज इज गिवन द सलाइन सोल्यूशन. Okay, the rabbit house in the room, the temperature is within 3. एनिमल हाउस में, एनिमल हाउस रैबिट हाउस बोलते हैं उसको. तो एनिमल हाउस में जनरली टेम्परेचर यू कैन मेंटेन 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर 18 आवर्स बिफोर द मेन टेस्ट. मेन टेस्ट करने के पहले आपको 3 डिग्री टेम्परेचर पे उसको 18 आवर रखना. उसके बाद में मेन टेस्ट करेंगे. नाउ द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सैंपल. अभी रैबिट यूज़ करेंगे, आप फ्रेश रैबिट यूज़ करेंगे. प्रीवियस 2 वीक यू कैन चेक द कंडीशंस. 3 डे बिफोर टेस्टिंग द सलाइन सोल्यूशन, डोज 10 mg पर किलो उसको चेक. देन मेन टेस्ट के लिए 3 दिन उनका 18 आवर्स 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे उसको टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करेंगे एनिमल हाउस का. फिर मेन टेस्ट परफॉर्म करेंगे before the main test. Afterwards you can perform the main test. Preparation of sample. अभी सैंपल के लिए प्रिपरेशन फॉर द टेस्ट कैसे बनाएंगे? डिजोल्व द सब्सटेंस टेस्टेड पायरोजन फ्री फॉर्म सोल्यूशन. सब्सटेंस को डिजोल्व करेंगे पायरोजन टेस्ट सलाइन सोल्यूशन में. डिजोल्व द सब्सटेंस, जो भी है आपका वो सब्सटेंस डिजोल्व करेंगे सलाइन सोल्यूशन में. लिक्विड उसको हीट करेंगे अप टू द 38 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक बिफोर द इंजेक्शन ऑफ द रैबिट. इंजेक्शन देने के पहले 38 डिग्री तक आप उसको वार्म हीट करेंगे, देन यू कैन इंजेक्ट। द वॉल्यूम इंजेक्शन शुड नॉट, द डोज कैसा देंगे आप उसको, द डोज वॉल्यूम ऑफ इंजेक्शन शुड नॉट लेस देन 0.5 ml पर kg और नॉट मोर देन 10 ml पर kg। ये उसका सैंपल का डोज रहेगा, इससे कम देने का नहीं और इससे ज़्यादा देने का नहीं, 0.5 और 0.10। Okay, now see the CD. Parliament as per the IP, you know the pyrexia, rise in the body temperature, that is called the pyrexia. Respective body temperature is controlled by the hypothalamus, by the osmoreceptor, where it is central in the osmoreceptor. Now the parallel test, see that. Now see the object, why we are performed. To understand the parental solution, we are using the saline solution. Are the subject to official testing for present the pyrogens. Pyrogens is endotoxin. Those are responsible for rise in the body temperature. That is called the pyrogen. Now second, to understand the official test, are pharmacopoeial standard for pyrogen testing. As per IP, you can use the pyrogen testing. To understand the fever response given by the rabbit, official biological method using the criteria for the test present in the pyrogen, sharp test and the maid test are used. The next theory, requirements. Now these are the requirements. Animal used the rabbit, adult rabbit animal you can use either by the sex, weight not less than 1.5 kg. Its condition is compulsory. Weight is less, don't use the animal. These are syringes, glasswares, diluvers, solution, wrapping rulers. Control the room temperature degree Celsius. That is the major importance. So the room temperature is 30. When you perform this particular room temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Then preparation of solution. Substance to dissolve in the saline solution. Then the dilute, the dose is given 0.5, not less than 0.5 per kg, 0.5 ml per kg, or not more than 10 ml per kg. Before the administered, you warm the saline solution at 10.5 degrees Celsius. Afterwards, you can inject. Next. Handle properly these conditions of this thing. Pyrogen are the lipid or polysaccharide. That's why it's the lipopolysaccharides. Pyrogen substance having the chemically it is a polysaccharide lipid. That's why the lipid lipopolysaccharide. It is, if introduced into the human body, cause transient fever. This is responsible for rise in the body temperature. And the constituent of outer membrane of cell or bacteria have the pyrogenic activity. Such constituent are known as endotoxin. Endotoxin are responsible for rise in the body temperature. The injectable preparation must be free from pyrogen. So, the efforts are made to prevent the pyrogen contamination within the manufacturer. Methods are also available to test in product where they are free from pyrogen or not. The pyrogen, most important thing is the pyrogen test is designed to measure rise body temperature of 3 rabbit. Injection is given by route of injection, that is intravenous injection. Sample is given to the rabbit. That is intravenous is given. Rabbit can give the marginal airway. That is you can administer. रैबिट में उसके जो ईयर रहते हैं कान पे एक वेन रहती, दैट वेन फॉर द मार्जिनल दैट यू कैन एडमिनिस्टर इंजेक्शन, दैट इज इंट्रावेनस. डोज नॉट मोर देन 10 mg per kilo or not less than 0.5 mg per kilo. It's given in intravenous within a period of 10 minutes. See, here is marginal airway, that is intravenous. Okay. Inject sample is taken at 30 degrees Celsius. by the rectal thermometer. Telethermometer having the 6 electrodes they insert in the rectal. Electrode having the marking and then with the body temperature. Normal body temperature is 36.2 to 37.2 degrees Celsius. And then free rapid temperature should not more than the 0.5. Let's see the this is a telethermometer. Measure the rectal body temperature of rabbit. Rectal पीछे से उसको इंसर्ट करना 6 electrodes है. These are the 6 electrodes. This is the norm of the 6. You can rotate one, taking the reading, taking the counter, showing the display in the reading 36.2. Second 37.2, like that. You can measure the normal temperature. And this is a telethermometer. You can do rectal. Next, see the electrons 5 centimeter there inside in the rectal. Examination asks that name of that and they use these are the thermometer is used for parental testing. Question asks on the display. Anybody is given check the first, you can check the normal body temperature. Then injection is given intravenous marginal area में काफी कान में लाल कलर का ये रहता है वहाँ पे इंजेक्शन दे दिया. Then after delivery you can see it's a telethermometer. These are the electrodes 6. They are the knob. Each electrode is connected to the knob and you will see on the display. And this is the marking of electrode in the 5 centimeter inside to the rectal. Label is given rabbit 1, rabbit 2, rabbit 3. They are kept in the rabbit holder. It's a rabbit holder. Rabbit place of the rabbit holder. Let's see the these here is having the weight. The injection is given marking on the weight. That is called intravenous. See. That is a rectal temperature. Insert the electrode. See up to the marking, that marking, that is 5 centimeter. And temperature came on the display. See, insert. There is a knob 1. See the temperature. First animal. Temperature is 38.2 degrees Celsius. This is the normal body temperature. Okay? That is the rectal temperature. Second. Now knob rotating the second. Insert the electrode. Temperature 38.5 degrees Celsius. Okay? Like that you can measure. See the drug is given. Airway, intravenous, that is a marginal airway of the ear of the rabbit. Normal temperature after injection is given. See the temperature now goes to the 0.7 degrees Celsius. Temperature goes more than that it's failed. After administration of injection, see, either possible. See, initial temperature time. First rabbit 38.2, are you see? Okay. Second rabbit 38.4, third rabbit initial temperature 38.2. Body temperature after injection. Marginal में injection दिया, इसके बाद में temperature. How is measured? 30 minutes. Interval of next 30 every 30 minutes increase. 30, then 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. See the rabbit 1. 30 minutes 38.2, 60 minutes 38.1, 90 minutes 38.4, 120 38.3, 38.2. Maximum temperature you can calculate 38.5. and normal body temperature 38.2. 38.4 minus 38.2, difference is 0.2. That is the first rabbit. Second rabbit, normal temperature 38.4. That is 38.4 normal temperature. Highest temperature, the slaughter 30, 60, 90, 20, 80, 150 is 38.7 minus normal temperature 38.7 to 38.4.3. Third rabbit 38.3. The highest temperature, the slot is 38.5. 38.5 minus 38.3.2. The sum of 3 rabbit 0.2 first, 0.3 second, 0.2 third. Difference of the sum not more than 0.7 degree Celsius. 0.7 is sample as per IP is complies. Given sample is passes as per IP. Saline solution don't have the pyrogen. But release goes more than 7. Instead of 7 here is 8 and 9, 1.2. That given sample is fail because does not comply as per IP because difference not more than 0.7 degree Celsius. Now same observation table. Okay. Same. Already yesterday the city practical are also being presented. Okay, thank you.